Good evening, student. Today we will discuss the second chapter, long and short. So before I start the chapter, I want to ask you some. Uh, I want to know whether you have any problem in the first chapter or not. If you have any problem, then send it in the group. I will try to solve your questions. Okay. So now I want to start the second chapter. So in this chapter, there is a little bit concept about long distance and short distance. Okay, that means in this chapter we will try to find or try to understand about distance. Okay, so in page 13, that means the first page of this chapter, there are some dots given here. Okay, like I dot, O dot, A dot, B dot, C dot, K dot, and there are some dots given here, and this among these dots, some just below some questions is given there by using our scale. That means our centimeter scale, which we use in our geometry box. By using this scale, we have to find the distance. Okay, we have to find the distance between two dots. Okay, and among these dots there will be a particular two dots which have the highest distance, that means the furthest distance, and among these dots there will be two dots which will be the lowest or shortest distance. So by using your centimeter scale, you try it at home. Okay, in page 14, a story is given there, and story is of the famous king of Akbar. Okay, so once Akbar asked his minister, that means his smart minister Birbal, a difficult question he asked to his smart minister Birbal. He asked that Birbal, I am drawing a line. Could you draw another line and bigger than my line without erasing my line? So what Akbar asked Birbal, that he is drawing a line, and without erasing his line, could he make another line bigger than his line? So what Birbal did, Birbal do not erase Akbar's line, but Birbal draw another line which is bigger than Akbar's line. Okay, just given in the picture. In similar way, in the right side, there are some picture is given, and we have to draw it. Okay, in the first picture, make a right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. So a right arm is given here, and we have to draw another picture. That means we have to draw another picture where we have to show left arm is bigger than the right arm. Similarly, 1 centimeter cup is there in the picture. 1 centimeter cup is there. We have to draw shorter than 1 centimeter cup. That means another cup we have to draw which is whose height is shorter than 1 centimeter. Okay. Third, a broom we have to draw which is half of the given broom. A one hair is there which will be double than the given hair. Okay, so these are the things that we have to draw at home. Next, page 15. How tall have you grown? How tall have we grown in the present year? That means previous year you was in class 3, and this year you was in class 4. So how you have grown, we have to measure by using our centimeter scales. So do you remember that in class 3 measured your height? The first question is given here. Have you measured in your height in class 3? If you have measured or if you have any idea about your height, then you write it in your copy. Do you think you have grown taller? Then how much? So how do we know that we are taller than the previous year? So we have to measure our height. Okay, we have to measure our height in the present year, and we have to take an approximate height in the previous year. If we compare it, then we could understand how much we have grown this year. Now in just below, we have to take 5 friends' name. We have to write 5 friends' name, and we have to take their heights in the last year. So what we have to do here? We have to do we have to write 5 friends' height, last 5 friends' name, 5 friends' name, 5 friends' height, this year their height also, and how many centimeter this year they have grown. So what we have to do? 5 friends' name we have to first write, then previous year, their what was their height in the previous year, in the present year what is their height, and how much they have grown in the present year. Just below, Jhumpa once read the tallest people in the world. So Jhumpa was reading the tallest people in the world. One of them was 200 centimeter tall. So among the tallest people in the world, one of the tallest man was 200 centimeter. Jhumpa is that is just double the Jhumpa's height. So that person is how much taller? Is just double up Jhumpa's height. So how tall is Jhumpa? So if the tallest person height is 272, then Jhumpa's height will be how much? Just its half. Half means 136. Just 272 divided by 2. 272 divided by 2. Then we will get 136. That will be the Jhumpa's height. Next question is, imagine, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? So in class 4, if the person is 272 centimeter tall, then we have to measure the height of our classroom's door. Okay, then we can find an idea whether that person could pass through without bending our class. Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? So you have to measure your door of your house, and then you write it whether he can easily pass through or easily enter in your room or not, whether his head is touching the roof of the door or not. Okay, you have to write it down in your copy. Next is, who is the tallest in your family? So who is the tallest in your family? You have to write it, and how much he is taller, you have to write it also. Who is the shortest in your family? You have to write their name and their height also. Okay, and what is the difference between their height? You can easily find out it. Okay, so page 13, 14 and 15 we have completed today. If you have any doubt, then ask me tomorrow. Okay, thank you.